So today I am going to talk about solving equations on fx-991ES plus second edition. This calculator gives you an option to solve up to 3-degree polynomial or 3-degree or 3 variable simultaneous equation. In order to do either of them, we would change our mode and we'll go to equation number 5. So you can see the first option is 2 variable 2 unknown linear equation, second is 3 unknown linear equation, third is 2-degree polynomial, and fourth is 3-degree polynomial. So you can select any of them. So let's say we would like to solve simultaneous equation, okay, in 2 variables. So I'll say 1, and here it gives you an option like you put in the value of a, b and c. So ax plus by plus c equals to 0 for both the equation, and then it will solve you the values. So let's say I put in the value 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 0 and negative 3x plus 5y equals to negative 12. Okay, these are two equations. Basically negative 3x plus 5y minus 12 equals to 0. You put in all these values, it equals to, and it gives you the value of x and y. Similarly, if you would like to let's say you would like to solve a polynomial, so again you'll go to mode, go to equation and change. Let's say you would like to solve a 2-degree polynomial equation, select 3 and you can put in the coefficient, all the coefficient here. So let's take an equation like x square minus 7x plus 12. So my a is 1, b is negative 7 and c is 12. So I said x square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0, and the moment I put equals to, again it gives you your first root, that is 4, and second root, that is 3. So this is how you solve it. And let's say you would like to solve for a cubic equation. Let's quickly take a cubic equation. So I've taken this, let's put in the values as 2. I'm just taking hypothetical values, 3 and 12. Right, it equals to, it will give you the value of as x1 is negative 1.02, x2 is, so that's an imaginary root, and x3 is again an imaginary roots. So it gives you all the 3 roots in one go. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.